My name is John Coughlin. I am President and CEO of Linder, and I'd like to thank everyone who participated in our open house. We've had a great turnout. Our team here is very excited to serve the clients in the area, and I can't say enough about the effort that these folks have put into bringing this together with this beautiful new location here in Fort Myers, Florida. So we have 8 drive-through bays. We have a state-of-the-art wash facility, 2 10-ton overhead cranes. We've got a large yard here, larger than most branches. We have a very large warehouse that will give us the ability to stock double the amount of parts we had in the past. So we're located 1/2 mile off I-75 at the Alico Road exit. We are very fortunate to have a very large open space to expand our facility in the future if need be. In the past, we have had field service in a very small location just north of here. This allows us 4 or 5 times the capacity of servicing and repairing equipment. It's about efficiency and speed and limiting our customers' downtime. We're very happy to raffle off a host of gifts donated by Linder and our vendors. We were very pleased to receive the Top 5 Dealer Award in the U.S. from the Genesis manufacturer of shears, grapples, and other demolition attachments. We appreciate the attendance also by our vendors. Great turnout. They have been strong partners of ours and high-quality manufacturers. So our display had a variety of equipment from Komatsu and Bomeg, cone cranes, Atlas, and many of the attachments such as Fecon, and bucket manufacturers such as the Hensley and Rockland buckets. And we're very appreciative of the overall attendance by our customers. Truly appreciate the partnership with these folks. What we have here, partnership, great Linder team. It's all coming together very, very well. So thank you very much.